Here's a problem with most traders. They're not trading a system. They're switching strategies all day long. One minute they're chasing momentum, the next minute they're trying to catch a reversal. Now they're buying breakouts, usually right before they fail. And the result? Inconsistent trades, inconsistent decisions, and inconsistent results. Professional traders, they don't just take setups. They operate within frameworks, which are structured ways of understanding what type of trade they're in and how they should be trading it. So in this video, I'm going to break down the 3 core intraday trading frameworks: momentum, breakouts, and reversals, and more importantly, how to think about them the right way. Let's get started with momentum. Momentum trading is about strength continuing. You're looking for stocks that are already moving, strong volume, strong direction, clean price action, trending, and your goal is to participate in that continuation. But here's the key. Momentum is not about chasing price. It's about timing the pullbacks within the strength. And if you're buying extended moves with no structure, you're already late. Professional traders wait for controlled pullbacks, areas where the stock pauses, holds, and then continues. This is where the edge is, not at the highs, but in the continuation after the structure forms. Now let's move over to breakouts. Breakouts are about expansion. A stock that has been contained within a range and now it's attempting to move outside of that range with volume. This could be a pre-market high, a key resistance level, or a multi-day range. But here's what most traders get wrong. They assume that every breakout must work. They see price gets close to a level and they jump in early. And then the stock rejects and they're stuck. Professional traders, we treat breakouts differently. We like to wait for confirmation. They want to see the level break, hold, and show acceptance above that area. Because a true breakout isn't just a move through a level, it's a move that holds beyond it. That's what separates a real breakout from a fake one. Now let's talk about reversals, because reversals are completely different. You're not trading continuation, you're trading a shift in control. This is where a stock that has been trending in one direction starts to lose momentum. It exhausts and potentially moves the other way. But here's the reality. Reversals are a lower probability than momentum or breakout trades. And why is that? Because you're going against a current move. That doesn't mean you shouldn't trade them. It just means you need stronger confirmation. You need to see clear signs of exhaustion, failed moves, lower highs, higher lows forming, a break in structure. If you're trying to pick tops and bottoms without confirmation, you're just guessing. And guessing in trading gets expensive. Now here's where everything comes together. The mistake most traders make is trying to trade all 3 frameworks at the same time, on the same stock without clarity. They don't know if they're trading momentum, a breakout, or a reversal, so their decisions conflict. Professionals do the opposite. They identify the framework first, and then they execute within that framework. If it's a momentum stock, they're focused on continuation setups. They're the highest probability. If it's setting up for a breakout, they're focused on expansion through the levels. If it's showing signs of a reversal, they're waiting for confirmation of a shift before getting involved. This clarity changes everything, because now you're not reacting to price randomly. You're not trading the noise, you're trading with context. And when you combine that with proper risk management, knowing where you're wrong, and sizing appropriately, your trading becomes much more consistent. And here's what I want you to take from this. You don't need more strategies. You need to understand the frameworks behind the trades you're already taking. Ask yourself, is this a momentum trade? Is this a breakout? Or is this a reversal trade? And then align your execution within that framework. Because when your strategy matches the environment, your edge becomes much more clear. If you're watching this video and you're realizing you don't have clear framework, you're bouncing between strategies without consistency, let me help you with that. I'm Kevin Lloyd and I've been trading for over 20 years. I work directly with traders to simplify their approach, define their frameworks, and build a structured system they can rely on every single day. If you want help bringing clarity and consistency to your trading, head over to Market Pro Trading and contact me directly. I'd be glad to help. Thanks. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Breakout.